Good afternoon, my goblins and ghouls. This week we're gonna have a special set. I got the heart ornament that is customizable for Valentine's Day. It seems to be a cutie patootie set and looks like many options, and you can do as you wish. It has 254 pieces. So let's open it up and see what we get. Okay, so this is the end of the build as far as the book instructions have led us to believe, or have shown us, really. She's quite neat. I like the three-dimensional level and layers that they have incorporated in this. And as the box says, it's customizable. So they show examples in the booklet, you know, different colors and schemes you could have used. And how to change things out, I suppose. So this is how they intended it to be made, but you can obviously make your own adjustments however you want. I think I might do some playing around with mine off camera and do something a little different, but she is quite cute. It's a neat little concept for Valentine's Day, especially if you do it with your boo or even with your kid. You know, it's pretty neat, it's fun, it doesn't take that long, and the fact that you can change and swap out the colors I think would be really neat, especially for younger children. I really dig it. I hope you guys did too. Don't forget to subscribe and like my content, and I'll see you in the neighborhood. Bye, my goblins and ghouls. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day.